Hi, I'm Jonathan Bill, owner of SBS Accounting and Advisors, and thank you for joining me today for another KPI Spotlight. Just like the instrument gauges on a plane, key performance indicators, or KPIs, help you know where you're going as a business, how high you are flying, and what dangers lay ahead. The purpose of this video series is to help you know how to read your business's gauges and how to use that information to take your business to the next level. Today's KPI, revenue per hour, is key for cash flow. Revenue per hour gives a scope of your hiring process, whether you're pricing your services correctly, and how efficiently you are managing your task force. For example, if the job takes you longer to complete than the hours you're budgeting for, you must either increase your efficiency as a team or increase your rates with your client. This is all about budgeting hours versus actual hours. To calculate your average revenue per hour, divide the revenue generated from a job or project by the hours worked on that job or project. For example, if you made $60,000 on a job and it took you 1,000 hours to finish that job, 60,000 divided by 1,000 hours equals $60 per hour of work. You can then evaluate this rate against your target billable rate or against other similar projects to see how well you are performing. If you have any questions on how this KPI is calculated or what you can do to improve this KPI in your business, we would love to help. As accountants and advisors, we help you not only automate your accounting processes, but also coach you on a regular basis on how to use your financial data to grow your business. For more information, please contact us at info@sbsaccountants.com or call us at 770-745-4283. Don't fly your business blind. Learn how to read your business's gauges and see your business take to the skies.